Hey everyone, it's Mike from MAJS Woodworking here. Got a pretty cool package today in the mail. Came from my friends at Crafted Elements. We'll give it a quick open here and see what's inside. So let's see here. Looks like I got a few new templates. 10% off next time I make a purchase. Nice. Look at that. A cool gift. Shot glass holder. Looks like I ordered myself. Christmas tree, right on time for making some Christmas trays to hold your candies. Some bells. Make some more pretty cool holders for candies at Christmas time. Treats. This is one I'm most excited about. The double hearts. I got some pretty